بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
In the name of Allah, the Beneficent, the Merciful.
Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I am Abdul Wajid from Noon Online Quran Academy, and you are watching Noorani Qaida lesson in English. Inshallah, in this class we will learn Arabic letter with pronunciation in English language. If you would like to learn Quran with English language, please subscribe our channel. Today our first video Noorani Qaida in English. So in this class we will be learn Arabic letters pronunciation, and if you don't subscribe our channel Noon Online Quran Academy, please subscribe it. Let us start now. I will read first, you can repeat after me. If you have any kind of question, please leave a message in this video in comment section. We will be reply to you soon, inshallah. Let us start now. Be careful, listen pronunciation of these Arabic letters. Alif, alif, alif. You can read after me. Alif, alif. Ba, ba, ba. You can read after me. Ba, ba. Ta, ta, ta. You can read after me. Ta, ta. Tha, 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 tha. You can read after me. Tha, tha. Jim, jim, jim. You can read after me. Jim, jim. Ha, ha, ha. You can read after me. Ha, ha. Kha, kha, kha. You can read after me. Kha, kha. Dal, dal, dal. You can read after me. Dal, dal. Dal, dal, Zal. You can read after me. Zal. Zal. Ra. 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 You can read after me. Ra. Ra. Za. 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 You can read after me. Za. Za. Sin. 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 You can read after me. Sin. Sin. Sheen. 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 You can read after me. Sheen. Sheen. Sod. 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 You can read after me. Sod. Sod. Dod. 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 You can read after me. Dod. Dod. To. 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 You can read after me. To. To. Zo. 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 You can read after me. Zo. Zo. Ain. 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 You can read after me. Ain. Ain. Ghain. 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 You can read after me. Ghain. Ghain. Fa. 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 You can read after me. Fa. Fa. Qaf. 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 You can read after me. Qaf. Qaf. Kaf. 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 You can read after me. Kaf. Kaf. Lam. 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 You can read after me. Lam. Lam. Mim. 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 You can read after me. Mim. Mim. Noon. 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 You can read after me. Noon. Noon. wow, wow, wow. You can read after me. Wow, wow. Ha, ha, ha. You can read after me. Ha, ha. Hamza, Hamza, Hamza. You can read after me. Hamza, Hamza. Ya, ya, ya. You can read after me. Ya, ya. This is also ya. You can read after me. Ya, ya, ya. So these words, pronunciation of the Arabic letter, I hope you understand very well. If you have any question according to this lesson, please leave a message under this video in comment section. And if you like this video, please click on the like button and don't forget share in your friends and families. Inshallah, see you again next video. Have a nice day. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.
الله ربي والإسلام ديني ومحمدا رسول الله ويقيني أدنو